Mga kapuso, ngayong umaga ating makakasama ang isa sa mga official candidates for this year's Binibining Pilipinas 2022. Representing Sarangani Province, let us all welcome Fatima Bisan. Hello Fatima and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Thank you so much for inviting me po. Thank you for having me.
Una sa lahat, Fatima, kamusta naman after all the activities na ginagawa ninyo bago ang coronation night?
So far, so good. Ano ba, ilang months na lang after the 1 month na lang after the coronation night. So, most of the day, meron lang kaming mga sponsor visits and photo shoots, and we are just enjoying the moment with our Binibining Queen sisters. So far, I am enjoying every moment kasi, you know, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, I'll just make the most out of it.
Fatima, you are representing Sarangani Province and you are history in the making dahil ikaw ang kauna-unahang representante mula sa Sarangani. How does it feel?
I'm very honored actually kasi before I joined Binibining Pilipinas, I've been asking yung mga pageant veteran if may nag-represent na ba ng province sa Binibining Pilipinas, and they told me wala pa nga. So it's a history and I'm just very grateful na ako po yung unang nagdala ng province namin sa Binibining Pilipinas stage, and I'm very excited na i-showcase po yung probinsya namin na, I mean, the natural resources that we have and kumbaga what we can offer, di ba? And I hope na parang ito na kumbaga yung maging start na umpisahan na next year ulit may join na naman na another beauty queen that will represent the province again.
Fatima, aside from being a beauty queen, isa ka ding frontliner bilang isang licensed medical technologist. Can you share a little story at kung bakit ka napasok sa mundo ng beauty pageant?
I started joining pageants when I was 13 years old. Noong una, si Mami yung kumbaga nag-push sa akin to join beauty pageants. I think that was mutya ng Katanggawan. And then after nun, nagsunod-sunod na yung join ko ng pageants. So, almost a decade na ako in the pageantry. So, magta 10 years na in the pageantry. And ang dami ko ng pinagdaanan throughout the years. And dun, madami akong natutunan, madaming experience.
Fatima, we also learned na it's not really your first time to join a beauty pageant dahil naging Miss Philippines Earth 2021 runner-up ka na and Miss Fit Philippines 2021 first runner-up din. So bakit mo gustong sumali at manalo sa Binibining Pilipinas?
Yun nga, no? Kumbaga, in 10 years in the making, ang dami ko ng pageants na nasalihan, ang dami ko ding pageants na nalunan. So yung Binibining Pilipinas, pero ito na talaga yung, kumbaga, yung endpoint ko, yung parang ito na yun. So, nag-join ako ng Binibining Pilipinas. First, it is my mom and my own dream. Kumbaga, naging passion ko na mag-join ng pageants, and Binibining Pilipinas is one of my dream, and I'm very grateful talaga na nakuha ko sa Binibining Pilipinas as the official candidate.
Also, Miss Fatima, laman ka ngayon sa lahat ng mga pageant vlogs as front runner. Ano ang masasabi mo rito?
Nashock nga ako minsan kasi sino bang mag-aakala taga-probinsya magiging front runner? Kasi ngayon sa beauty pageant, one important thing is also dapat maingay ka sa social media. Kumbaga, you need to have the social media presence.
Lastly, Miss Fatima, ano ang mensahe mo sa lahat ng mga supporters mo and sa lahat ng mga taga-Sarangani? And please do invite them sa coronation night.
I am very grateful sa lahat po ng Sarangans, Malungonians who have been supporting me every pageant po na sinalihan ko, and hanggang ngayon sa Binibining Pilipinas, andyan pa rin po kayo. You have been always liking, commenting, and sharing on my Facebook post and sa post ng mga Binibining Pilipinas, and pinagpapasalamat po ako.
On that note, maraming salamat Miss Fatima. We hope your success in getting a crown on your journey as Binibining Pilipinas 2022.
Thank you so much for having me.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.